Hello everyone, it's great to see you all. My name is Hardi Rifki Al-Amin from Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. In this 5th Borobudur International Symposium 2023, I will talk about renewable energy topic, with title is Assessment of Energy Sustainability, Enhancement of a Paper Industry in Riau, Indonesia. I accompany with my supervisor, Bu Vitalis Tianingrum, as co-author from Electrical Engineering Department, ITS Surabaya, Indonesia. Start from the background. Paper mill is an energy-intensive industry and one of the most energy-consuming industry in Indonesia and worldwide. Energy is heavily used during all the phases of the process for pulp and paper making operation. Plant paper machine 2 with load profile 36 MW in the pulp and paper mill in Pangkalan Kerinci, Riau, Indonesia have been analyzed in this study. Energy source come from power and recovery boiler and also solar PV plant. Average coal consumption is close to 200,000 kg per day by power boiler. Current condition related to the use of recovery boiler and 9 MW solar PV plant are actually very supportive in the application of the sustainable clean energy sources. However, there is a desire to have more sustainable by increasing energy use from renewable energy resources, with the goal is to reduce coal consumption in power boiler. This is the map of Pangkalan Kerinci Riau, Indonesia. It's about 1 hour from Pekanbaru, the mother city of Riau. For the method, first we do data collection, then modeling, simulation, and analysis of hybrid energy system using Homer software. We have two scenarios. Number one, full off-grid of solar PV batteries for the paper machine 2 plant. And number two, identify renewable energy potentials around the factory. For the result of the scenario 1 is, in the schematic design of off-grid system, in Homer we can see that existing PV plant 9 MW connect to the AC light to paper machine 2 with load profile 36 MW. In the system, we can see also solar PV proposed connect to the AC line for off-grid system, and battery storage system connect to the DC line. And there are battery converter to convert DC from the battery to the AC line to the paper machine 2. In the table, we found the result. Solar PV plant for off-grid capacity will be 561 MW with the battery storage system 3 million quantity each with the capacity 12 volt and 83 ampere hour for the each of battery. And the battery inverter capacity will be 107 MW. Then net present cost will be 1.43 billion USD with 0.376 USD cost of energy. The operating cost will be 40.7 million USD per year. And because of this is full off-grid from renewable energy, so the renewable fraction will be 100%. And the total coal consumption will be 0 kg per year, and CO2 emission also will be 0 kg per year. And from this result, need around 267 hectares of vacant land around the paper mill for additional 560 MW PV plant off-grid. Next, we go to scenario 2 result. Identify renewable energy potentials around the factory. From the assessment of around of paper machine area, we found that there are potential of solar PV rooftop from paper machine area with total area of the rooftop is 133,000 meters square. And also there are potential of micro hydro from the Gampere River that located 6 km from the paper machine 2. From the schematic, we can see that there are additional PV rooftop on the system and also hydrokinetic on the system. With optimization result, there are potential solar PV rooftop about 24 megawatt in the paper machine area, and also there are hydrokinetic with maximum output 5.94 kilowatt. Net present cost will be 418 million USD with 0.1 USD cost of energy. The operating cost will be 29.5 million USD per year, and renewable fraction will be 15.5%. Total coal consumption will be 64 million kilogram per year, and CO2 emission will be 167 million kilogram per year. And in the right side, there are illustration of solar PV rooftop in the paper machine, and also picture of smart monofloat turbine 5 kilowatt capacity. And we found that nominal renewable energy capacity penetration will increase to 45.2%. From the graph of the net present cost, we can see that in the base system or current system, the NPC will be 409 million USD, and this NPC will increase high to 1.4 billion USD for the scenario 1 that full off grid to paper machine 2. And for scenario 2, if we utilize the potential of renewable energy around the paper machine, the NPC will be 418 million USD. And the last, we jump to conclusion for scenario 1 that we found that full off-grid is not feasible due to the NPC and operating cost is too high for investment. And then we need around 267 hectares of vacant land around for 560 megawatt PV plant off-grid, and this is not feasible. For scenario 2, there is potential 24 megawatt PV in rooftop area, and there is potential micro hydro power from Kampa River that located 6 km from plant with maximum output 5.94 kilowatt. With utilizing potential renewable energy from rooftop and Kampa River, total coal consumption and CO2 gas emission will reduce 10.48% in year, and the nominal renewable energy penetration increased from 18.4% to 45.2%. Renewable energy fraction increased from 4.29% to 15.5%. This result is good for sustainable growth of paper mill business that investment in climate and nature. So this is my last slide. I look forward to having discussion and question from the audience. You can also reach me by this email address hardirifki.a@gmail.com. Thank you very much for your attention and see you next time. Thank you.